Alright guys, sorry about that. Had some music on. So I just want to get started here real quick and show you the Tumblr Viper. I tried to make this video earlier today in Camtasia. After 28 minutes, it completely crashed. So I'm not going to drag on for 28 minutes here. What this is this is a tool that I've created that is built for expired Tumblr accounts. Now, I know a lot of people will say, oh, wait a second, expired Tumblr accounts, that's so 2014, Michael. This is not 2014. This is something that I've been doing for 4 years. Been doing it manually. Had this tool created for me, 6 months in development, and it's absolutely awesome. So this is a fully automated tool. You can see I have 564 powered tumblers in here. I have 500 proxies. You can check everything in here whenever it's running. It'll tell you on the bar the progress of the account checker, creator, profile updater. Profile updater is what changes your background image, your profile image, your do follow link, and it gets some other information in there. So it also changes the blog name. So that's really, really powerful. Profile updater is where I get all of my authority from. That's where I create my do follow link for my 301 redirects to power up my properties, my websites, etc. You can create text posts, image posts, link posts, video posts, likes, and follows. And it will also follow your own blogs if you want. And it will also like your own blogs, which is really cool. So you can build up your followers really quickly by following other people, having them follow you back, or following yourself and making it look like you have a ton of followers and a ton of likes. So that's really cool. So you can go into accounts. You can use the account creator. You can put your usernames in, your email addresses in. These can be mail.ru, which you can buy from like buy accounts, very, very cheap. You can use Gmail accounts with different variations, which we show and train, which is pretty cool. You can put in how many seconds in between account creations, max accounts to create. You can choose any category. These are categories that I've personally set up, like high trust flow accounts. I could select that. I could say I want to verify the email. I want to rotate email account upon registration failure. And I want to use proxies. And I want to run 5 threads at the same time. And it would totally do that. I could hit run, and it would go off and start registering these for me automatically, going into the email address, verifying that email, and it would be really great. So whenever it's done, as it's creating, I should say, it puts it into the account manager. There is a typo there. I am aware of that. What you can also do is you can go into the account checker, and this will check all of your accounts for active and disabled accounts. If any of your accounts are disabled, you can easily export them, take them out of your system. Very, very simple. I would go into the actual account manager, but you would see all my passwords, and I really don't want to give away my super powered Tumblr accounts in here. Let's go into campaigns. Campaigns are really cool. You can set up a campaign. This is to automate it with a full scheduler, so you could send in your campaign name, choose your categories. So any accounts that are under these categories, whatever you do in a campaign, let's say you choose Amazon affiliate, it would only post to the accounts that have the category on it for Amazon affiliate. So this is an awesome way to completely automate all of your systems. And you could do this with a text post, an image post. Now, if you do text post, you could have super spin tags in there. So each time it puts it in, it would completely do it that way with text posting, which would be really cool. And I would love to show you how this does, because it's really neat to watch it. In fact, let me go ahead and do a quick demo for you here. Just a second, let me pause. Okay, so I'm going to go in here, I'm going to choose Mug Jam Text, okay? We're going to go to, well, for this, let's do High Trust Flow Accounts, okay? Titles, let's do Mug Jam Bonuses. Alright, caption, click here to purchase. Let's see. I'm just going to create a URL. Okay, we'll do that. IamProductTraining.com. Tags is set. Let's do Mug Jam Bonuses. Okay. And I'm going to click on Finish right here. Oh, let's change this. We'll name this Mug Jam Spin Tags. Okay. Let's go to Finish. Alright, so we've got that set up here. Let's go back over to Dashboard. Scroll on down to the bottom here. Let's run campaign. Okay, so we've got Mug Jam Spin Tags. Let's say we want to run it today, the 15th, until the 15th. And let's say we want to run 2 two blogs. So let's go ahead and we'll hit launch. And we'll pause this and I'll start back up when it starts up. Okay, so here we go. So it's going to do the proxy authorization here. So it's using the proxies. And this little screen's going to turn green in just a second here. Okay, let's go down. We'll click on this little screen here. Let's open it up. Let's maximize it. And let's watch what it does here. Alright, so here we go. It's going to log in. Perfect. Alright, we'll maximize this so you can see what's going on full screen. Okay, so I actually had to stop that right here. Ran into a little change. Looks like programmers just contacted me, told me they were updating the tool. So there was a little proxy issue that I had. So let's just not do that post here. I completely screwed up what's going on because they're using my copy. Anyway, so that's what the post can do. You can do text post, image post, link post, video post. Video post is really cool for the embeds. You can drop your embed code directly in here, which is awesome. Your caption, your tags are set. One per line, comma separated. Very cool. You can do likes, you can do follows, your profile updater, your proxy settings. So you can put your proxies in here. And that's awesome. Let's go back to the dashboard and we'll stop that right here. There we go. Okay, so you can do your likes, your follows, profile update, your proxy settings. You can add 2 captcha in here. Also has a full change log, lets you know what's going on. And that's really cool. So tool works great. Tool is doing great. We've got a couple of little updates to come out from the programmers. The second tool that the programming team just released to me is my Tumblr scraper and Authority Viper. Now what this does, this works in conjunction with the Tumblr Viper. And this will actually scrape for expired Tumblrs, which is really cool. So scrape for them, it'll put them into a text file. And then what you can do is you can copy those links and drop them directly in here, which is awesome. So let me just pause, grab some links for you, and show you how this works. Okay, so I grabbed some Tumblrs, and we'll drop the links in here, and this will check all of the authority. Now, I don't have the Moz API in here yet, but I have the Majestic API. So let's go ahead and hit run. It'll tell you if it's indexed in Google, what the topical trust flow 1 is, TT1, the trust flow of the link, citation flow, and the number of backlinks. And you, of course, can sort them based upon what you have here. So yahoosearch.tumblr.com, you're not able to pick that one up because it's an official Yahoo account, even though it's expired and not available. So that's got a trust flow of 34. Wow, that's great. That's really great. Atlantic nowhere there. Arts and movies. It looks like 28 trust flow. Next one is Bohemia.tumblr, 14 trust flow, etc. So what you could do is you could grab this link right here. Oops. I just killed it.